Welcome to DJ's Preston Sport. We've just acquired this lovely Mazda 2 litre Sport. It's the Mazda 3 in lovely condition. Lovely night fire red, alloy wheels, privacy glass to the rear park distance control, full service history, just been recently serviced. Bodywork is absolutely popping. Boot area's in lovely condition. Got the rear parcel shelf. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Six-speed box, push start. Sounds absolutely fantastic. It's done 583 miles, but it does not drive like that. It drives like 40,000 miles. It's got satellite navigation, full menu pack, communication for Bluetooth, entertainment, applications, 3-stage heated seats, aircon climate control, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, nice centre armrest. Really has been looked after. There's just no wear, as you can see. Well above average condition. Still got quite a lot of fuel in there as well. With DJH, we provide full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.